How am I supposed to vlog in this weather? So depressing. There's like literally nothing to do in this weather, like nothing. Someone needs to invent something cool to do in this weather and fast, because I'm getting bored. And before anyone says anything about my spoon, yes, I always eat breakfast with a little spoon. Why? Because it lasts longer that way. Like if you got a big spoon, you're going to eat it faster, because there's going to be more on the spoon each time. But if you've got a little spoon, it takes longer. Like it's 10 to 11 in the morning and I'm already bored. Like what? There's nothing to do. Like literally. So I found something I can do to bring my snowboard jacket in so I can get it cleaned. So I'm going to go and do that. And if you haven't seen Inside Snow Planet, I'll give you a quick preview now. Check these guys out. Thing was already open and I tried to jump it. This little fire spot to like warm your hands up. That's pretty cool. I'm about to take you into the snow. It's cold already. Check this out. Hey buddy! You gonna pound it? Alright. I've been teaching this little guy how to snowboard. Doing pretty well. The idea. My nipples started to go hella cold. So silly me decided to fucking wear a jumper and some track pants, and now the sun's come out. And like I'm literally, I gotta pull over, eh? Oh my god, I am sweating. I'm just gonna pull over here, fuck it. Shit. Oh my god. That feels amazing. Oh. I'm not going to take my trackies off though, because it'll be like R18 kind of stuff. Alright, let's keep going. Oh my god. Big fucking hanging out to get these pants off.
Actually, I'm not sure if you're mine.
That's much better. Shout out to Steve's Villains. So I just noticed that there's heaps of windsurfers out in Oriel Beach, so I might go or kite surfers. Windsurfers? Kite surfers. I don't even know. I might go down there and see if I can get some drone footage. Alright, let's go see how windy it is. It's pretty busy. It's actually not as windy as I thought it was. Try and get some footage of whoever's out there, eh? Right, go back and get my drone. Sorry if it's a bit windy because I don't have a microphone just yet. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. But I stopped in at Oriel because there was heaps of boys jumping off the bridge. Hopefully I got some kite surfing and some manu's off Oriel Bridge. A bunch of boys were asking me about if I was a vlogger. I'm like an official YouTube vlogger now. No, I didn't. I just like, no, I'm just mucking around. But I do have a channel if you want to check it out. My phone died. I'm kind of scared that maybe it stopped recording. Let's see how we go. This thing never closes like straight away. It's always a puzzle. Seagulls, man. Honestly, they were coming like this close. They're this far away from the camera and it's driving me nuts. Bro, it got super close. Pretty sure one was gonna eat my drone. And now there's heaps of people staring at me. Time to go.
How long have I been on the hunt for you? No sound of anything that I can do.
So cold.
But I don't mind, 'cause there's nothing left to lose. And for the first time, I'm calling out for you.
Don't have anything.
Yeah, I'll be back in a second. I forgot my card. How embarrassing. Where is it? I've got it. Got it. I don't got it. Now I do. I got it.
Oh, what's your thing? Oh, you've got one. I know, I've got a little one. So hot. It is true. Thanks.
Thank you. Can like feel it go down and shit.
I'm coming home for you, like an animal. I still got love for you. Hear me calling. I'm calling out for you.
I just want to say shout out to those boys down at Oriel Beach. Shot for looking out. Sorry I couldn't talk, man. I was like watching the seagulls attacking my drone, bro. I don't even know if you'll see this, but if you do, then yeah, no, appreciate the lookout. Knuckles. So I'm gonna start editing that vlog now. Pretty sure I got some good footage. Hope you like this one. Remember to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Help me put New Zealand on the map in the YouTube vlog scene, I guess. So I think I'm gonna cut it there. Yeah, hope you like it.